Isn't it exciting to see dancers do 32 fouettés on stage? It's the exchange of wonder. In my Dance Masterclass, I will guide you through all my exercises that would help you to improve your fouettés. Tape out a box on the floor. Don't drop your hip. Remember the tutu line? I think fouetté has a special effect. The excitement that audience gets actually comes back to you. And this is why I love fouettés. Mastering fouetté is hard, but if you train the right technique, everyone can do it. Once you get it right, it's addicting. If you practice a lot, you can feel comfortable in them, and you will be able to face your fouettés. 4 exercises. It's so much fun. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。